My name is Laurel, and I'm going to talk to you about the installation and maintenance of your hand-painted canvas floor cloth. When you receive your floor cloth, it will come rolled up on a tube. The floor cloth cannot be folded or crushed, so it's very important that when you need to move it for any reason, you'll have your tube to roll it back up. The floor cloth is meant to be installed on a hard surface floor, a wood floor, ceramic floor. Do not put on top of a rug or a carpet because the heel of your shoe can break through the paint and the varnish onto the soft surface below. So the best thing to do is to fasten it down to the floor. And what we do is we use a mounting putty, and you can get it anywhere. There's several brands, they all work the same. And this mounting putty, we make it to a small little ball about the size of a pea. And now what I'm going to do is show you how we fasten the floor cloth to the floor. Okay. So you want to take your little ball and you want to put it just on the inside of the edge of your floor cloth so that when you press it down it doesn't spill over to the edge, and you're going to want to put them about every 5 inches. And then you just press your floor cloth down onto the floor. And it keeps it from sliding. Keeps it from sliding, and it protects the edges. It keeps it from being kicked and scuffed. And when you need to move your floor cloth, it doesn't stick to the floor cloth and it doesn't stick to the floor. Now the bottom of your floor cloth is cotton. It's not sealed. The top is sealed with several coats of polyurethane varnish. But if for any reason there's a flood or there's a big spill and the bottom of your rug gets wet, then you're going to want to lift up your floor cloth and put it face down so that this area can dry, or hang it on a line or put it out into the sun. Okay, now we're going to go inside and I'll show you how to keep your floor cloth clean. Okay, this rug has been underneath my dining room table for 3 years. It was fastened with the same putty that we used for the installation. It has not moved. When you have furniture on top of your floor cloth, you're going to want to put felt pads on the bottom of your furniture, just as you would a wood floor. I always tell my clients, treat your floor cloth just as you would a hardwood floor. It has several coats of polyurethane varnish. You can wipe the mud off, jelly, wine, anything that might normally stain a regular rug can just wipe right off your floor cloth. So to clean it, you just want to sweep it. If you use a vacuum cleaner, that's fine. You can go ahead and vacuum it. You just clean your floor cloth just as you would the rest of your floor. And then you can just mop it. You mop it, you use mild soap and water to clean it. And it stays nice and clean and really easy to clean. Your floor cloth can stand up to anything your family has to offer. Your dogs, mud, kids, food, whatever it is. It'll last for many, many years and you'll enjoy.